How many green alien mochi and pizza spring rolls can I eat at a buffet? I don't know, but we're about to find out. Hey fellow explorers, my name is Chris, aka TDR Explorer, and I help you plan the perfect trip to Asia and its theme parks. Today, I am at the Crystal Palace at Tokyo Disneyland, and they have this dessert buffet. Yes, you heard that right, dessert buffet. I don't know how long it's gonna go on for, but they usually don't do this. But there is all you can eat, green alien mochi, yes, and pizza spring rolls, and other desserts. I don't care about those. I care about the pizza spring rolls. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Pizza spring rolls and green alien mochi. I got a reservation. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna see how we go. When you're planning a trip to Tokyo Disney Resort, make sure you check out our ebook travel guide up on our website at tdrexplorer.com. It has everything you need to know to plan the perfect trip to Tokyo Disneyland. I haven't eaten all day because I am preparing my stomach for this buffet. I am really excited. Okay, I need to get in line because there's a line to get in. Let's go inside. All right, I'm just waiting in line here. It even comes with the drinks too, which is great. Non-alcoholic beer. All right. And please wear your mask when you leave the table. I'm excited. They give you a clean tray here, and then the cast members will give you the food as you ask for it. So you don't grab everything yourself. All right, I'm gonna see what there is. Chilled soup, corn corn soup. Corn soup お願いします。はい、どうぞ。ありがとうございます。Strawberry crepe. That's nice. And today's special. I'm not sure what that is. That looks nice. No, not yet. Maybe I'll come back later. Ooh, the milk pudding looks cute though. Let's try the milk pudding. Milk pudding お願いします。はい。かわいい。ミッキー。顔がはっきり見える。どうぞ。はい。So these are cream puffs. And there's custard pudding. Strawberry shortcake. あ、大丈夫です。はい。Tipo torta, which I am not going to get. こんにちは。じゃあ、Tipo torta お願いします。Never mind, I'm going to get it. はい、あっちも。はい、お願いします。すいません。ありがとうございます。何これ？寿司ロール。シュリンプとチキン入って。はい、ありがとうございます。はい。Sushi roll with shrimp and chicken. Oh my, okay, I'm getting like really full just looking at this. And there's a limp churro over there. There's a cinnamon churro or a strawberry churro, which I'm not going to do. And spring roll お願いします。ありがとうございます。Spring rolls. And there's some fruit, which I'm not going to get. I'm going to skip that. It's actually getting really heavy. Yes. Come through. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited. So excited. It's really heavy. 抹茶とストロベリーです。ストロベリーお願いします。ストロベリー。はい。抹茶もお願いします。抹茶、はい。ありがとうございます。こんにちは。抹茶とストロベリー。What else is there? What else is there? Chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse. ムースお願いします。チョコで。はい。ありがとうございます。And there's some grape thing, which I'm not going to get. Yes! Okay, let's go to the table. I am doing this all one-handed. I am talented. Alright, let's go. I'm going to drop it. I don't want to drop it. I don't want to drop it. I'm being overly dramatic, I know. But I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, okay. Now to get a drink. I got all my food. And I am so looking forward to this. I don't even know what to start with. I think I'm going to start with the green alien mochi. I don't know how to do this. Try this. Ugh, forget it. That's one down. I got so many other desserts. I'm probably not going to eat a lot of the green alien mochi, but we're going to try. That was the strawberry one. And the tipo torta. Not going to focus. Whatever, there's chocolate inside there. It's quite nice. I'm going to save the spring roll for last. And I'm going to try this shrimp and chicken sushi roll thing. So these are all snacks that are throughout the park. And yeah, they're doing the buffet. Usually there's lunch and dinner, but now they're just doing the buffet. I'm not sure how long it's going to go for. That's definitely shrimp and chicken. Let me try these out. Little cream puff balls. We have an hour to eat, so an hour to stuff my face with sugar. Sugar. There was strawberry cream in that one. Chocolate in this one. Yep. Mickey. Chocolate Mickey. And this other one with custard, I guess. This is wonderful. Wonderful. Now for the best part. Spring roll. See the cheese in there. The sauce. This is heaven. Heaven. So now there's this chocolate mousse. A little Mickey hand in there. There's like a little thin wafer thing. Chocolate and I don't know, some kind of probably coffee jelly. I was right. Coffee jelly with chocolate mousse. So good. Pudding. Mickey with some fruit. Some fruit inside of it. It's a panna cotta. It's really delicious. And there's little bits of fruit and stuff in here. The other green alien mochi that I got, I think this one's the matcha. I washed my hands, I'm good. Yep, matcha. With the azuki bean inside. Which is a sweet red bean. Corn cream soup. I mean, it's soup. I want something warm. But it's cold. It's nice though. I like corn cream soup. So far I've had 2 green alien mochi and a pizza spring roll. So I'm gonna go back for seconds for sure. I'm gonna finish this other stuff first. And then I'm just gonna stick to the green alien mochi and the pizza spring rolls because it's been a long time. It's been a long time. I'm gonna get my fill. There's also drinks. What do they have for drinks actually? I'll read that up really quick. Coffee, tea, oolong cha, green tea, iced coffee, iced oolong tea, iced green tea, orange juice, Coca-Cola, Fanta Golden Cider, and Fanta Melon. You gotta get that melon. But I got myself iced oolong tea. Alright, let's get more green alien mochi. Spring roll number 2. And mochi 3 and 4. number 4. This one is the matcha. The last one was the strawberry. Spring roll number 2. This is heaven. You have no idea. I think I can handle 1 more. Well, 2 more green alien mochi and 1 more pizza spring roll, I think. I'm running out of time. I have about 20 minutes left. Sorry, the lighting keeps changing. I think that's about all I can stomach. Even though it's so good. Mochi number 5. And I got number 6. I think I'm done after this. I am so full. Number 6. This one's strawberry. Don't worry, I wash my hands and everything. I wash my hands every time. I don't normally eat like this much food. Last but not least, this pizza spring roll. It's not focusing, whatever. Alright, that is more than enough that I can handle. That was so good. That was so good. Oh my goodness. I want to do this again. I want to do this again. You need to do it. It's delicious. Oh, this is so good. It's so good. Oh, I'm so happy I did this. How many green alien mochi do you think you can eat in 60 minutes? Or spring rolls? Let me know in the comments below. You know my numbers. 6 green alien mochi and 3 pizza spring rolls. But I also did eat other things too, so that didn't help. Remember to like and subscribe. You know what? You know what to do. You really know what to do. I'm gonna, I don't know, sit here for the rest of my time. I got like 3 minutes left before I gotta go. I'll put more videos up here by the balloon. More food videos for Tokyo Disneyland. So make sure you go and check it out. Our Explorers. I'm gonna roll myself out of here. Until next time.